Now focal distance, let me find it, and first of all let's define it. Now definition: distance of a point on a parabola from focus of parabola is called focal distance. Now a figure has been drawn here. Where is the focus? S is the focus. P is a point on a parabola. Okay, so SP is a focal distance. Is it clear? Now let SA comma 0 be focus of a parabola, and here equation of a parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Let SA0 be a focus on a parabola, PXY be a point on the parabola, A is vertex and D dash is directrix of parabola. Is it clear? Now by definition of parabola, SP is equal to PM. Now what is PM? Distance from point P on directrix. Distance from point P xy on the directrix. You can write it distance is perpendicular. Always means this distance. Okay, it is a perpendicular. So now to this what we can write it? PM, from the figure we are having, PM is equal to Zn. PM is equal to Zn, and Zn is equal to Za plus An. Za is what? It is A and An is x1. Okay, Za is equal to As is equal to A, and An is equal to x1. Is it clear? So required focal distance is SP, and that is A plus x1.